That ball weighs 6,000 pounds. It can smash a building into a pile of rubble in just a few hours. And in the hands of an expert operator, it can be used as delicately as a surgeon's scalpel. We found a man with that delicate touch at the FMC Heavy Equipment Manufacturing Plant in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. There, riding atop a 110,000-pound crane, was a 165-pound man preparing to go head-to-head with a 2.5-ounce egg. He's Ken Pitt, the top heavy equipment operator at the Cedar Rapids plant. Like most of us, Ken crawls to work. And like most of us, Ken starts his day with a hot cup of coffee. Unlike most of us, Ken is served by his buddy Whitey from high atop a giant excavator. It sort of adds new meaning to the words coffee machine. The first trick we set up for is the egg push. We'll be using this solid iron wrecking rectangle which weighs more than 5,000 pounds. It's usually used to push buildings off of their foundations, but Ken is going to gently push a couple of eggs across this platform without breaking them. Can he do it? Let's watch. An amazing example of man and machine being used to their fullest capacities. Now it's time to get down to business. Here we see one fragile hen's egg perched precariously atop a special stand built for this trick. Ken is at the controls concentrating. He will now attempt to lower a 6,000-pound wrecking ball on top of an egg without breaking it. Sound impossible? Let's watch. The 6,000-pound wrecking ball to the top of the egg without breaking it. Because, Ken Hunter of Cleveland, Ohio, you asked for it.